This is Introduction to Ubuntu 10.04, Part 4, Learning how to use the browser. We're going to start this video by learning how to use your browser using Firefox. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is go up to the button or icon at the top panel in the left-hand corner, and it'll be the one for Firefox. So you left-click on that. You wait for it to load up. It'll load up with your home page, whatever home page is up at the time. So in order to change the home page, what you need to do is go and left click on Edit, and then go down to Preferences and left click on Preferences. Excuse me. And you'll see the General tab come up, and look where it says Start Up, and it'll say when Firefox starts, show my home page. And then you just type in whatever home page you want in there. Mine is already set for Google. Then once you do that, you can go down to the bottom and click Close. And just to make sure, go ahead and left click on the home button, and your home page that you want should be right up there. Alright, next thing we need to do is talk about tabs. This is your first tab. In order to get another tab, you come over to the plus sign, the green plus sign, and just left click on it once. That will create another tab. You can create as many tabs as you want. You can delete or close as many tabs as you want. Once you create a tab, in order to go to another web page, you go up to the top at the address box, left click into it once, and then you go ahead and type in your web page. For this one, let's type in cnet.com. Press enter on your keyboard, or you can come over here. Once you've typed in your address, you can also click this button right here. It'll turn green, and then that'll take you to the web page. And there's your web page. Now, if you want to stay in this tab and you want to go to another web page, you can go up to the top, left click on in the address box, double click on it twice with the left mouse button, and then type in the next address you want to go to. Let's go to download.com. Wait for the page to load up, and there it is. Now, let's go over some of the buttons here. This is the back button. If you want to go to the previous page, then you left click on the back button once. If you want to go forward to the page after that, then you go to the forward button, left click on that button once, and it loads up. If you need to refresh that page, go to the refresh button or reload button and left click it once, and it will reload. You can also refresh this page by looking at your keyboard and pressing on the F5 button. You can just press on it once, or however many times you want to do it for it to refresh. If you want to stop it from loading or reloading or refreshing, you can click on the stop button. If you want to go back to your home page, left click on the home page button once, and it takes you back to your home page. Also, to create other new tabs on your keyboard, you can press the control button and the T button. That'll create as many buttons as many tabs as you want. Okay, and then once again, type in your address that you want to go to by typing in the address box up here, and you can go to your page. Type in your web page or the web address that you want to go to, and then Once again, either you can press the enter button on your keyboard, or you can come over here to where it says go to the address in the location bar or address bar, whichever you want to call it, and then left click once. And it takes you there. Alright, now if you go to a page and you find a page or a website that you want to save because you want to keep going back there, and you find out that you keep going back there many times, you can go ahead and save it. The way to do that in Firefox is to go up to the bookmarks area or section, button, whatever you want to call it. Left click on it once, choose bookmark this page. This page will come up, and for the name, you can either leave it at the default name that the web page has already got it for, or you can type in your own name, whatever you want to do. Choose the folder that you want to save it in. Go ahead and save it in the bookmarks menu. It's already set, and then go ahead and choose done. And then if you want to go back to that page, let's say you decide to go somewhere else, and then you decide you want to go back to that page again, all you got to do is go to bookmarks, scroll down till you see that page. Here's Yahoo. Left click on it once, and there it is. If you decide that you don't want to go there no more, you don't want to save it in your bookmarks anymore, left click on bookmarks, go down to that page, right click on it, and then choose delete by left clicking. And as you can see, it's been deleted. Alright. The only other thing you need to do now is, once you decide that you're done browsing, you're done being online, go ahead and close it. You'll see three buttons in the corner. They'll either be on the top right hand side or the top left hand side. Doesn't matter which side they're on. Choose the red X. That's the button to close. It will prompt you. Do you want Firefox to save your tabs for the next time it starts? Either you can choose save and quit, or cancel, or you can quit. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and quit. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching.